Here's how to download and install Microsoft Teams on your PC or laptop. Open your browser and go to Microsoft.com. Click the All Microsoft drop-down at the top of the page and find Teams in the list. Click it to go to the Microsoft Teams page. Click Download Teams, then click Download again on the following page. The installer will download automatically. Once the download finishes, open the file and the installation will begin on its own. No configuration is needed. Teams installs quickly and launches automatically when finished. If it does not appear right away, check your Start menu or desktop for the Teams shortcut. Sign in with your Microsoft account. If you do not have one, you can create one for free on the same screen. If your organization uses Microsoft 365, sign in with your work or school email. This connects you to your organization's channels and meetings automatically. A tip: if you use Teams for work, consider enabling the Quiet Hours feature in notification settings to stop Teams from sending alerts outside of your working hours. This is one of the most commonly missed settings and makes a significant difference to focus time. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.